Vivekananda ji once said, "Arise, awake. You are the youth of India." Young lions roar. I follow this slogan of his and try to implement his teachings in my life. Dear friends, in this time of COVID uncertainty, we all are living amidst crisis, especially for students like me and you. But during this time, I am trying to implement the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and trying to get some positive outcomes in them, so that after this crisis I get transformed into a better version of mine. So I always try to improve myself. So in order to improve myself, dear friends, I try to implement whatever he has taught. This great personality has taught the youth that we should never be demotivated. He is one of the greatest motivation, not only for me, but for all the great personalities, for all the huge personalities. Most importantly, Swami Vivekananda is such a cherishing personality that whenever I see him, I get just inspired by the type of person he was, the positivity that he had, and the sense to do something for the nation that he had. We all remember, and whenever I get low, I used to hear his speech at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago. That was a wonderful speech. And most importantly, that how come we should implement his learnings. So most importantly, what I used to do is to explore myself, to just get out the output of myself, to be optimum. And I don't drive two boats. I always take up one idea, work upon that, and in order to achieve my goal, I am making the best out of me. And here, what the term best depends is that, do you know what's the most complex machine in the whole human universe? What's the most complex machine? Dear friends, it's our body. It's the most complex machine. So why don't we understand the possibilities that what our body could do? Why we should? So I am exploring the immense possibilities. I am focusing on Atma Shraddha. I am focusing on other concepts like Karma Yoga that was taught by Sri Vivekananda, because he had done his body exploration. And I want to experiment these body explorations on me. I just want to regenerate myself and transform me into a better version of me. Most importantly, in order to get the maximum and optimum output from our human machines, we need to motivate ourselves. We need to provide energy ourselves. I'm not talking about food or physical energy, but the mental energy, the synergy. Swami Vivekananda has given us an ideal that do karma. Karma is one of the most positive synergy. If you do a karma with whole faith, if you work upon an idea with whole faith, life will automatically gift you. So I never pay any regret to myself about this. Actually, coming upon to the fact that it's really very important to focus on the dynamic aspects of life. It's really very important that we all must realize what's our life and what is our goal. Until and unless we don't realize our goal, our life is like an apple without a taste. So most importantly, we should try to explore our life, and we should never be sad about anything. We should always work harder and should try to walk on the path. Remember one thing that Swami Vivekananda has taught, and I had learned from him. That one very important thing is that never try to look back in your life. Always go ahead, and never ever get hurdled by anyone or anything. Actually you are born into the life. You are born to live. So live, but live with a goal. And until and unless your goal doesn't get accomplished, I'm meaning it, let the blood rain into our veins by the speed of light. Just explore yourself. Explore the dynamicity of yourself. Our body is so dynamic. Swami Vivekananda has taught us the lesson. Swami Vivekananda, a perfect intellect who went all around the world. He discovered the intellectual possibilities, all immense intellectual possibilities. So if Swami Vivekananda can, then why can't I? I can. This is one of the biggest aspect. Actually, when the lockdown started, what happened with me was that I used to feel very uncertain. I used to say, यार लॉकडाउन तो हो गया, अब क्या करेंगे यार, आज से पहले तो कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस लॉकडाउन गिव्स मी एम्पल ऑफ टाइम. ये लॉकडाउन मुझे खुद से बात करने के लिए एम्पल ऑफ टाइम दे रहा है. सो इट्स अ टाइम कि आप अपने आप से इंटरेक्ट करो. It's a time that you discover what are the immense possibilities that are being gathered in you. What is your talent? And what is your talent? What is your aspiration? What's your goal? And to realize the important fundamentals of Atma Shraddha, as well as various important fundamentals, I realized the immense possibility of truth. Most important thing that I learned that when lockdown happened, I thought that यार लॉकडाउन तो जल्द खुल जाएगा. बट देन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वॉज टू एक्सेप्ट द ट्रूथ एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी. देन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. आई स्टार्टेड कोडिंग, आई स्टार्टेड प्रोग्रामिंग, एंड आई लर्न दैट when you have time, and when you have time, when you are completely healthy, when your body is in support of you, you can do wonders. No one can stop you. Actually, your home is like your temple. You must worship what you do. Swami Vivekananda also told that Atma Shraddha means to completely get engraved in whatever you are doing. To not sacrifice, but to just means just devote yourself to the work that you are doing, and everything is in his hand. We have seen that Swami Vivekananda has faced too many challenges, but each and every time he found a way out of it. I realized that if Swami Vivekananda faced too many challenges, and this is not the first time that an epidemic has come to the world, then why can't I? I have ample of time and I can do wonders. So dear friends, never feel demotivated, because demotivation in itself is a great hurdle. And if you feel demotivated, then you will lose each and everything. And remember, learn from each and everything. Learn even from small things. You have seen that learn even from small to small things. Like in this time of COVID uncertainty, we have learned one very important thing. And that thing is that's a very important thing. And that thing is really very important. And it's an implementation. Try to learn and grasp each and everything. Like I learned a very important thing, that health is top priority. In our lives, we must give health top priority. You know, friends, what earlier the convention was? Earlier the convention was that if a person who has lot of money, he is rich. But now after the COVID-19 crisis, this thing has changed. Now if a person has a good health, he is rich. And if a person doesn't have good health, then he is poor. Same way, if a person is having good intellect, and if a person is having time, then he's having a lot of power to change future. The hand and these lines drawn on your hand are not your mere destiny. Your mere destiny is in your hands, and it's how you make. Like you have seen a jalebi wala, like he uses that jalebi and curves the jalebi. I will not give any non-conventional examples, but a jalebi wala. Same way, you are that jalebi wala, and that jalebi is your destiny. The way you will shape that jalebi, the way you will add flavors to that jalebi, the more crispy the jalebi will be. Friends, I know you can and you will. And I know that you can and you will. And please, dear friends, try to read about these great personalities. Just try, if you face any trouble, just try to read that about these personalities. And know that जब स्वामी विवेकानंद की लाइफ में यार इतना ट्रबल आया था, तब उन्होंने क्या किया था. अगर आपने ये सीख लिया कि जब स्वामी विवेकानंद की लाइफ में ट्रबल आया था, उन्होंने क्या किया था, तो आप ये सीख जाओगे कि मुसीबतों से कैसे लड़ना है. क्योंकि लड़ता आदमी किसी बंदे से नहीं, लड़ता आदमी किसी चीज से नहीं. A man fights with his own problems. Swami Vivekananda has taught how to fight with ourselves and how to be the best of ourselves. I know that you all are the best of ourselves. And in fact for me, and remember, give yourself ample of time. यार अपने आप को समझो कि तुम क्या कर सकते हो, क्या नहीं कर सकते. अपने अंदर की पॉसिबिलिटीज को समझो. अपनी वीकनेस और स्ट्रेंथ को तुम जिस दिन समझ गए ना, उस दिन ना ही कोई तुमसे बड़ा बन पाएगा और ना ही कोई तुमसे बड़ा है. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, घमंड, दैट्स कॉन्फिडेंस, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, दैट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग. आपका सेल्फ एस्टीम इतना हाई होना चाहिए कि आप किसी भी मुसीबत से डरो ना. स्वामी विवेकानंदा हैज टॉट अस दैट फियर is one of the greatest enemy of the soul. So if we are fearful, we can't do anything. like I used to be very fearful about my result. But one day I learnt about a story from Swami Vivekananda, and in that story there was a mention that from a story I derived an output from Swami Vivekananda कि यार अपना कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. Because if you are doing your hard work, like I was fearful about my 10th board results, but then I realized that my board results were declared the day when I gave my last paper, because I had put all my hard work, I had put all my pain, I had put everything that I could. I have learned to my teachers, I paid attention to each and everything. Then why being worried about the results? My results were declared on the day when I gave my last exams. Friends, never be fearful, and you can, you will. Thank you so much.